The way we work is quietly changing. While most are still searching through browsers, a new pattern is emerging. Search is no longer a destination, it is becoming a conversation. Welcome to the AI feed. Today we are looking at the practical reality of AI workflows. Not the hype, but the actual steps to faster understanding. We'll demonstrate 3 core interfaces that are redefining research, synthesis, and decision-making. Starting with how we gather information. Traditional search is broken. Fragments of data scattered across dozens of tabs. It's time to move from hunting for links to engaging with intelligence. Let's look at the problem. The old workflow looks like this. Constant context switching. Hunting through search results that are mostly ads. You spend more time filtering out noise than actually learning. It's fragmented, slow, and mentally draining. We have access to more information than ever, yet we understand less of it. This is the search fatigue era. The friction between asking a question and getting a usable answer is the bottleneck of modern work. We're searching for pieces of a puzzle, but we have to build the picture ourselves. Until now. This is why conversational AI is more than a chatbot. It's a research partner. It changes the entry point. Instead of a static query, we use iteration. We refine as we go. Let's see it in action with conversational research. Transitioning from the noise to the signal. This is Demo 1, Conversational Research. We start with a broad, complex question. Not a keyword, but a goal. Watch the interaction. We aren't looking for a website, we're looking for an explanation. The AI begins to synthesize the initial response. The response is structured. It highlights key themes: predictive analytics, inventory automation, and route optimization. This is where the magic happens. Refinement. We drill down into the specifics that matter to us. The AI adapts. It understands the context of the previous turn and adjusts its depth accordingly. Notice the precision. We've bypassed the generic landing pages and found the specific insight we needed. Iteration allows for instant comparison. We're creating a custom report in real time through dialogue. The value is the speed of synthesis. What would have taken hours of reading is now a clear, actionable table. Everything is tracked. Your research isn't a series of history links, it's a persistent knowledge base. Ask, refine, synthesize. This is the first pillar of the new AI workflow, moving from search to dialogue. But research often requires verified sources and deep evidence. For that, we change tools. Demo 2, Deep Research. Deep research isn't just about answers, it's about evidence. Here, the AI acts as a sophisticated aggregator. It fetches data in real time from the open web, academic papers, and technical documentation simultaneously. Every claim is cited. This eliminates the black box problem. You can verify every single insight instantly. Watch how it compares competing technical standards. It extracts the core differences and presents them neutrally. It extracts insights that are often buried in 50-page PDFs. It identifies the why behind the what. You maintain full control. The AI is your librarian, organizing the library so you can focus on the reading. Transparency is the core of deep research. It builds trust into the automated workflow. No hallucinations. The result is a briefing note, a comprehensive overview that would have taken a researcher half a day to compile. It anticipates your next move. The research continues until the understanding is complete. This is depth. Evidence-based research, verified sources, deep synthesis. This is the second pillar of the AI workflow. But what if the data isn't on the web? What if it's in a 100-page report on your desk? Demo 3. Demo 3. Document understanding. We are moving from external research to internal analysis. Fast. The AI processes the entire document in seconds. It maps the structure, the charts, and the fine print. The split-screen view allows you to see the evidence directly. The AI explains what the data actually means. We treat the document as a live database. We ask it questions. We find the needle in the haystack instantly. It doesn't just tell you the answer, it shows you where it found it. This is verifiable document intelligence. Advanced workflows can even spot contradictions. It analyzes tone and consistency across hundreds of pages. It reads charts and tables. It translates visual data into narrative insight. This is the end of manual skimming. True power comes from cross-document analysis, comparing multiple reports to find patterns that a human might miss. From 500 pages to 5 minutes. This is how we achieve faster understanding. This is the future of knowledge work. Internal analysis, verifiable insight, pattern recognition, pillar 3 of the practical AI workflow. The tools are different, but the goal is the same. The new workflow follows a simple, repeatable rhythm. First, you ask, not a keyword, but a goal. Second, you refine. You iterate through dialogue until the focus is sharp. Third, you synthesize. You let the AI aggregate, compare, and cite. Fourth, you decide. The final layer is always yours. The value here isn't getting answers faster. Anyone can get an answer. The value is achieving faster understanding. We are moving away from the era of information abundance and into the era of insight efficiency. Whether it's conversational research, deep evidence-based search, or document intelligence, the pattern is the same. It requires a different mindset. It requires you to treat the interface as a partner, not a tool. The workflow of tomorrow isn't coming, it's already here. You just have to change how you talk to it. Search is no longer a place you go. It is a conversation you have, a dialogue with the sum of human knowledge. This is only the beginning. Stay informed. This is the AI Feed.